Need to change your passport photo's background, but don't want to use complex software? Forget about complex software. Learn how to swap your passport photo's background for free. Start by finding an online background remover. Examples include Remove Gen. Others open your chosen website on your computer. Look for an Upload option, click it to choose your passport photo from your computer's files. The site will automatically remove the existing background from your picture, leaving a transparent, checkered pattern. Then it's time to edit. Click on the Edit or Change Background button on the page. Look for where you can choose a new background color. Most passport photos need a plain white or light gray background. Select white. You can often use a color picker tool or choose from a color selection palette. And there you have it. Your passport photo now has a perfect white background. All that's left is to find and click the download button. Choosing the size to match your needs. You've successfully altered your passport photo's background without needing any professional photo editing software.